I have been driving a manual 5 gear car for the last 10 odd years. When I shifted to a new car with 6 gears, everything changed for me. In the new vehicle, the reverse gear was on top, whereas in my earlier car, it was behind. Initially, it was difficult for me, but it took me a couple of days to adjust and maneuver both effectively. Today, I can drive both these cars without much of effort, knowing where the reverse is so that I do not end up using the wrong gear. New processes, new updates, new way of life is something that we cannot avoid. And it's important that we make sure that we adjust ourselves to shift the gears appropriately. Check if you are using your gears effectively. If not, adjust and make sure that you get the power to rev your engine of life. Till we meet